Welcome to Fieldy's Backtracks. Today, I thought I'd come and have a look out at Sandy Creek, just 30 k's north of Newman. We'll be in a northerly direction from Newman. So, yeah, Sandy Creek. Sandy Creek's one of those local spots, one of the spots that the locals come from Newman. So not majorly well known, but when the water's flowing like it is today, it's a bit cold to swim because it's winter and it's 24th of June. What did I just found? I'll just spin this around. Got a winner chicken dinner here. You never know what you can find out in the bush, eh? Oh, brand new Bunnings hat. Mine's just worn out too. That's a bit of a bonus. Someone's missing their Bunnings hat. Oh well, if you see this on YouTube or whatever, hit me up. You know where I am in town. So anyway, where were we? Oh yeah, Sandy Creek. Yeah, beautiful spot. We've got flowing water down this way. Just pop this hat down. Down this way, there's a swing over there. Plenty of spots to sort of pull up and camp. It's free camp. And obviously you take your rubbish when you go. You don't just leave footprints, really. And then it keeps this area beautiful for everyone. So yeah, it's just sensational. Well, it's pretty safe to swim. There's no crocodiles or anything here. We're too low for that in Newman. So it's pretty good. So yeah, if you get a chance and you know a local to point you in the right direction, come out. I'm not about to put the location on YouTube or Facebook or anything like that, because we don't want, everyone coming out here. Sacred spot for us locals. Anyway, look, I'm just talking shit now. Anyway, I just thought I'd come out. A lot of people have been asking, is there water in Sandy Creek? But I'll flip this. I've got a little bit. Beautiful in the summer. Oh man, that's a great spot to come for a swim. And look at this, look how clear the water is. Probably wouldn't drink it, but yeah. Anyway, I hope you're having a great day. Get off there, fly. And yeah, I'll see you soon. Well, that's going to be it for this one on Fieldy's Backtracks with my new hat. So just a quick one, quick run through, quick throw the drone up, have a look out here, and show how beautiful it is. Anyway, I'll see you next time on Fieldy's Backtracks.